Hi, this is Jamie for GearBest. Today I've got this brand new arriving Teclast M20 here at GearBest with me. I know currently tablet's kind of a bit outdated. Not many of you guys been using it on a daily basis. It's kind of pointless in a way unless you really need to check something that you just don't have other equipment with you. But it does share some advantages. Before I actually get into the advantages and everything, I'm gonna go through the specs real quick with you guys. So the main feature of this Teclast M20 is that it's operating at Android 8.0 system, which is pretty updated. Its CPU is a MediaTek 6797, which is Helio X23, clocking in at 2.0 GHz, 10.1-inch sharp screen, which is very nice. As you guys might know, I might not know, Sharp is actually very famous for manufacturing a very great high display screen, just like Samsung. Next, 4 gigs of RAM plus 64 gigs of storage that can be expanded up to 256 gigs with a TF card. So next, dual cameras, one at front and one in the back for FaceTime and photos. The specs for those cameras aren't really good, but it's more than enough for you to do FaceTiming and just regular, quick captions for pictures and everything, which is at 5 megapixel for rear camera and 2 megapixel for front camera. So finally, one of the most advantages for me at least that I really look into that is actually important for me is the battery life for tablets and for everything. This one has 6600 milliamps of battery, aka it could play 6 hours of video straight up non-stop without being charged. So that's pretty much it for the hardware and also software portion of Teclast M20. The model itself is actually a full metal body, unibody tablet, which means it's gonna be a little bit heavy when you're actually holding onto it. Because myself, I'm personally using iPad from 2007 version. It's a little bit lighter than this one, but this one does not just have full metal unibody, it also carries 6600 milliamps of battery, as I mentioned before. For video playing, the size itself is very portable. It's great for you to take on airplanes or for business trip, it's just perfect. So what's going to happen next is I'm gonna actually test it out, the video quality and as well as the audio quality with my own phone. So I'm gonna grab my phone here, right next to me. I already have 2 videos ready on YouTube. One is my favorite song lately, The Way of Love from the Black Keys. I know it's a little bit old, but I'm very, very addicted to it right now somehow. So I'm gonna do a quick comparison for the audio area for this tablet and also for my phone. So now I have the exact same song from the exact same channel pulled out. It's the song from the Black Key. It's called Weight of Love. I know it's been a little bit old. It's from 2014, I believe. But I've been really, really addicted to this song for the past couple of days, just literally playing non-stop. So I'm gonna press the volume to the maximum, and there you go. The voice quality is actually not bad, but admittedly, the voice is really very, very low. It's probably better when you're putting your headphones on. Now I'm gonna test it on my own phone. Also, volume to the maximum. That's just, yeah. So yeah, the audio quality, extremely perfect, even compared to an iPhone speaker. But yes, the volume is very low, even at the maximum. So if you would like to make a purchase of this one, I would highly recommend you actually bring earphones with you when you're either on an airplane or you're not at home entirely quietly. So because the volume is actually pretty low right here. So next I'm gonna already pulled out a trailer from The Predator 2018. Haven't watched it yet, not sure if it's available in any of the country yet, but it's currently not available in China, so I haven't watched it yet. This is the trailer for it. I'm gonna enlarge the screen.
We have a word. Let me guess, he's done something crazy.
Okay, so video quality here, same thing as before. I'm gonna pull out the exact same trailer video from my phone from the exact same link.
me guess. He's
Okay,
done.
that's it. So yes, video quality wise, this is amazing. Not to mention it got a 10.1 inch screen, whereas iPhone, I don't know, around 6 inch. I'm really not sure about that. This is perfect for video qualities and video watching, you know, movie watching or TV episodes, whatever you want. It's really easy to see the details. I'm gonna play it a little bit more. Yes, the details great. Not to mention this is only roughly under 200 bucks here at GearBest.com. So please, if you like this product, the Teclast M20, click the link below, like and subscribe to our channel. This is Jamie. I'll see you next time.